Hello everyone, this is Vijaya from Tech Multitech Engineering College. Today I am going to present my project. The project title is AI Chatbot for Multilingual and Audio Processing of Visual Inputs. These are the outline of the presentation. In a problem statement, today's digital world, vast amount of visual contents are generated every day, such as text, symbols, or visual context, which are very challenging to segregate them. The images given by the users are not detected properly, and also the responses given to them are not relevant. When a user needs an information regarding an image, it's difficult to find the appropriate descriptions. That's why we created this project. The objective of this project is to develop a chatbot which is capable of analyzing, understanding, and translating visual data into meaningful descriptions. The main goal is to enable a chatbot to not only recognize objects, scenes, or activities in images, but also to convert them into actionable insights or human readable translations in different languages. In abstract, the system that generates textual descriptions for uploaded images using a Google's Gemini 1.5 Flash model, which process users' uploaded images and user-provided prompts to give an appropriate description. The primary objective of this implementation is to bridge a gap between language barriers and make the platform more inclusive for users with diverse linguistic preference. In this project, we use two main models, which is Google API Key, which is used for text translation into various languages, and another one is Google Text to Speech. It is a library used to generate audio outputs for the translated text. And in an existing system, the traditional image captioning system relies on a predefined models and datasets for description, and this system does not have a features to support text to speech and multilingual capability for translating the descriptions, and which is difficult for most of the users. So we proposed the system which utilizes generative AI model to interpret and describe image based on user provided prompts. It also supports multiple languages and convert the generated descriptions into audio using text to speech technology. It will accept any image format and within the range of 200 MB. And this is our architecture diagram. In this diagram, we need to set up the Python environment, and then we need to install a Streamlit for user interaction, and then set up the YOLO v3 view only look once algorithm, which is used to observe and extract the feature from the image. And then we need to integrate a TensorFlow for image recognition and develop a Streamlit app for user, and then integrating an API for various languages, and build a conversational interface, and then we need to test and debug the chatbot. Finally, we can upload the image into the bot and get the description from itself. And these are the system requirements such as Streamlit, which I already defined that, which is used for an user interactions, and Python is a programming language. We coded our project in this language, and Google Generative API for multilingual translation, and GTTS used for audio accessibility. And in our project, we divided into two phases. In a first phase, we created a website which will analyze the image given by the user and understand each and every details of the image. It also asks the prompts from the users and understand those prompts and give a relatable description by using natural language processing and generative AI. This is my output for the phase 1 implementation. Here we created a chatbot which name as Clariview Image Interpreter. We can upload an image, and in the left hand side we have a navigation. On that chat clarity on history. After this, I uploaded one image and I entered a prompt as what was the program is this. Then I click the generate description button. It will give a detailed description about the program. And in a phase 2, we have two different modules. The first module is multilingual translation, which is used to translate the descriptions into various languages such as Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannadam, and Hindi. And it is the output of the module 1 implementation. And then module 2 is audio accessibility, which is used to translate the description into audio using TTS technology. And this is the output for that. In a future enhancement, we will use an audio to track the question instead of typing, and we will implement a chatbot that remembers previous interactions in a session, and we also integrate a lightweight API model for offline image interpretation, and also fine-tuning the AI models for specific fields such as medical imaging, agricultural, or other aspects. And in a conclusion, these are the features we included in our project, such as multilingual capabilities, wider application, enhanced accessibility, AI-powered image analysis. And now I will share the code and its output. Actually, this is my project code, and I will run this command. Then I will jump into a website. Here I will drag and give an image. Actually, I have an image. From this image, the user can ask any questions. I will enter a question such as what was the program mentioned above, and after that I click generate description. Actually, it takes some time to run the chatbot. Yeah, this is my description, and it also have a audio accessibility. And
Question. What was the program mentioned above? Description. The program mentioned.
yeah, it will give a audio accessibility and we can translate it to various languages. I just switch to translate into Tamil, and it's running. It's give the output. So this is my project, and these are the reference I used in this project. And thank you for everyone who are watching this video.